Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to show battery percentage on Windows 11. So if your battery percentage is missing on the taskbar and you would like to add the battery percentage icon to your taskbar on Windows 11 laptop or desktop, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to show battery percentage on taskbar icon on Windows 11, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the Start button, select Settings. Now on the Settings page, select System on the left side, scroll down the System page and choose Power and Battery. Now once you selected Power and Battery, hang on for the page to load. Once the page loads, scroll down, then you should see battery percentage. If battery percentage is disabled, then go ahead and turn on battery percentage. And once you turn on battery percentage, then you should see your battery percentage added to the taskbar icons. So that's exactly how you can show battery percentage on Windows 11 taskbar. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.